Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight tasks with colors in ClickUp in a clear and simple way. Using colors is one of the easiest ways to bring structure and clarity to your workspace, especially when you're managing multiple projects or collaborating with a team. Whether you want to visually organize your workflow, quickly identify task statuses at a glance, or simply make your board more colorful and easier to read, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Don't worry if you're new to ClickUp, I'll keep things straightforward and easy to follow. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the list or board where your tasks are located. For this tutorial, I'll show you how it looks in both board view and list view so you can see the color changes in action. Take a look at your tasks. You might already have some tasks in different colors like blue, green, or pink. Next, select the task or status you want to change. Click on the three dots next to the task to open the options menu, then choose Edit Statuses. This will take you to the Status Manager, where you can manage all your task statuses and their colors. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Decide beforehand which colors you want to use for each status, make sure you have the correct status selected, and double-check your board view after making changes to confirm the colors display as expected. Now, in the Status Manager, simply click on the color box next to the status you want to change. For example, if you want to change in progress, then click Apply Changes. Close the Status Manager, and your tasks will update automatically. When you return to board view, you'll see the updated colors applied instantly. You can also check in list view to confirm everything looks correct. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to highlight tasks with colors in ClickUp easily and efficiently, making your workspace cleaner, clearer, and much more enjoyable to use. Small visual changes like this can make a big difference in how quickly you understand your tasks and priorities. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this guide saved you time or made your workflow easier, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?